Hi everyone, this is Lydia Schnetta, and I chose workflow number 2 to scan and export to Google, and then we're going to annotate. So in this demo we're going to use Adobe Scan, and I turn on some accessibility features. Reduce motion, increase contrast, reduce transparency, button shapes, bold text, you can do larger text, speech tools, and zoom. You could also do inverted colors if you liked. Adobe Scan app. One of the things I liked about Adobe Scan is that when I open the app, it just jumps right into the camera mode. It does start clicking away if you're not ready for it, but it's not a big deal. I also wanted to share my trusty book stand, which is usually a wire book stand with a clipboard on it. The bottom right edge, you'll see a preview of your pictures. If you tap on that, it opens it up. So you can see the pictures that I took before I was ready, but I can delete those. In the bottom right corner there's a little trash can that I can tap on. I can also further crop it. There's a cropping tool in the bottom menu as well. And I could also rename it by tapping on the title. If I wanted to, I can use zoom and further fix my anchors so that I have a straight scan. And when I'm done, I can tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and then again I'll save as a PDF. I can see a preview of my document and that it's recognizing the text, but it's not going to pull it out of the document. It's going to keep the formatting. From here I can share it using the action arrow. And I like that the menus, the ones that you would use the most, are on the edges of the screen. So I chose Share Copy, and then I can find my drive in the Apple menu. I do have to find the folder every single time that I want to upload to my Google Drive, so I'm going to have to think about how I want to arrange that for my students. But once I found my folder, I could tap on it and then click Save Here, and then I could upload it to that folder. So now if I open it up in Google Drive, I could do the 3-finger swipe down gesture to read the whole screen, and it's going to start, but my menu will be missing.
SPED 758 practice exam. Name. Reading passage. Read the 2-page Braille passage and answer the 8.
There was no way for me to stop it because the menu where I could play and pause the media was missing in the Google Drive when I did it this way. Another thing that I noticed right away was that there was no way to edit the PDF in Google Drive. If you need OCR, there's an extra step that you can do, and it's in your Google Drive on your laptop. And I'm going to open up the Adobe Scan that I had made today. And in the top middle of the screen, I'm going to choose Open With, and I'm going to choose Google Docs. About 8 seconds later, I have OCR document where it pulled all the text out of the PDF and put it in a doc. It did a fairly good job, aside from turning the 8 into an S, but nothing that would take more than a minute to edit. I think I could teach an instructional assistant or a teacher to do this if they need a worksheet on the fly. Edit your newly OCR document on your iPad. On your iPad, you're going to open up Google Docs, find the document that was just OCR'd. Not only can I edit right in Google Docs, but I can have the text read to me. In the bottom right corner of the screen, I'm going to tap on the blue circle with the white pencil. Now when I place my cursor in the sentence, I have the option to speak the sentence.
Read the 2-page Braille passage and answer the 8 questions in the space provided below.
I can jump to any sentence.
What was Mary Jane's relationship to the family?
And I can also move my cursor and type in a response. And I can even check my spelling if I highlight a word by tapping twice.
F-R-I-E-N-D.
And all kinds of fun stuff. And then when I'm done, if I want to read the whole thing, I can use the 3-finger swipe
Worksheet 2018, SPED 758 practice.
Again, the little menu that you get with the speak screen sort of disappears in Google Drive. Now, something I want to point out is that when that blue pencil is gone, that speak feature is also missing from here. So you really have to be in that sort of edit mode in order to use speak sentence.